大家好 Today we are going to start a new chapter, Lesson 7, 第7课 Studying Chinese, 学中文 We learned all these characters before. 学 is study, to learn. And 中文 is Chinese. 学 we learned 学生我是好学生 I'm a good student. 学 is study. 中文 Chinese. Okay, first of all, I'm going to need a student to read the text with me. Yao, will you please?
Yes.
Okay. 王鹏跟李友说话。李友，你上个星期考试考得怎么样？
因为你帮我复习，所以考得不错。但是我写中国字写得太慢了。
是吗？以后我跟你一起练习写字，好不好？
那太好了，我们现在就写，怎么样？
好，给我一支笔，一张纸，写什么字？
你教我怎么写懂字吧。
好吧。
你写字写得真好，真快。
哪里？你明天有中文课吗？我帮你预习。
明天我们学第7课，第7课的语法很容易，我都懂。可是生词太多，汉字也有一点难。
没问题，我帮你。非常好，请坐。Okay, that's the text. Now, since this is a sample class, I'm going to cover only 6 new words. And I have all of them written on the whiteboard. And the first one is 说话, to talk, to speak. And we can notice that there is a common part of these two characters, 说话. And the common part is the left part. This means talk, to speak. All these characters with this part means it's related to talking or speaking. For example, another character is 讲, also means talk or to speak. You don't have to remember this now. And a traditional character written as the left part as this, it means to speak or to talk. And the simplified made it easier to write like this, similar to the English alphabet I. And 说话 means talk, to speak. And the next character, new words we are going to learn is 上个, means the earlier one, the last one. We learn the 个 as the most common measure word, so 上个 means the last one. Here in the text we learned it's 上个星期. We learned 星期 before in 时间 time. 星期 means week. Okay, so 上个星期 means last week. Similarly, we can use 上个月. 上个月. Okay, both these two words can match with 上个 means last. So 上个星期 last week. 上个月 last month. And how we say this week? 这个. We learned 这个 before means this. 这个姑娘, 这个女孩子, 这个女孩子是你的妹妹吗? Right? We learned 这个 before. 这个 means this. So when we say this week, we say 这个星期. We say this month, it's 这个月, this month. And how we say next? Correct? It's 下个. Xia is opposite to 上. So 上个星期 is last week. And 下个星期 is next week. And 下个月 is next month. And we also learned 2 other words, 天 and 年, to refer to time. 天 is day, and 年 is year. So if we want to say today, how we say today? Correct. Today is 今天. is today. How we say yesterday is 昨天. Yesterday is 昨天. 昨天. We learned this. Let's review very quick. So 今天 is today. 昨天 is yesterday. How we say tomorrow? 明天. 明天 is tomorrow. So 今天, 昨天, 明天, today, yesterday, and tomorrow. And how we say this year? It's the same. 今年 is this year. And next year is 明年. But when we say last year, we should say 去年. 去年, that's different. So last week, 上个星期, this week, 这个星期, next week, 下个星期, 明天, 今天, today, 昨天, yesterday, 明天, tomorrow, 去年, last year, 今年, this year, and 明年, next year. Okay, next one we're going to learn is 复习 and 预习. 复习 and 预习 here. 复习 means review, and 预习 means preview. Let's read after me. 复习,
复习，
预习.
预习，
Very good. 复习 and 预习. One is review, one is preview. 习 means practice, drill, or exercise. So 复习 means repeat what we did before. And 预习, 预 means pray or in the future. So 预习 means preview. And the 习 is a family name of the Chinese president. Now the Chinese president's family name is Xi. And in the news, you always hear, she said blah, blah, blah. And actually, he is a man. He's not she. So it's confusing. And the last Chinese president, his name is Hu. Sounds like who. So who said that? Actually, we know that's him. But anyway, these are very confusing Chinese family names. Okay, the next and the last new phrase we're going to learn is 写字. 写字 is a right character. 写 means right, and 字 means character. And we can also say 汉字. That's Han character. Han is the biggest ethnic group in China. Han is the biggest ethnic group in China. Hanzi means the character using by the Han ethnic group, Han Chinese. For many people consider Chinese is a homogeneous group, that people from China or Chinese. Actually, China is a multi-ethnic nation, has more than 50 different ethnic groups. For example, we have Mongolian and Tibetan. Actually, there are more Mongolian living in China, about 5 or 6 million, than in Mongolia, only 3 million. So, Hanzi refer to the characters using by Han Chinese. I am a Han Chinese. So, I remember 2 years ago when I was on the international festival, we have trivia questions for students. And one of the questions is, which is the biggest ethnic group in China? And one student came up and scratched his head and said, Asian? Well, that's, I can't say he's wrong, but the correct answer is Han. So Han is the name of the ethnic group, and Hanzi means Chinese character. So 写字 is right character. We can say 写字, 写汉字, it means the same. Alright, now let's talk about grammar. Have we learned this character before? Yes, we did. Where we learned it, when Li Yous asked Wang Peng to treat her coffee, she said, 你得请我喝咖啡. 你得请我喝咖啡. This character pronounced 得, that's right. But here it pronounced 的. In this sentence, this character doesn't pronounce day, and it means totally different thing. We used to learn that day means must. You have to treat me coffee. 你得请我喝咖啡. And here it pronounced the. It changed. It's similar as in English, minute, 1 minute, can also pronounce minute, means small or tiny stuff. It's the same. In Chinese, we have about a dozen commonly used characters has more than one pronunciation. Day, here pronounced the. So what the means in this sentence? 李友，你上个星期考试考得怎么样? This is too complicated. Let me use this example to explain. 他写字写得很好。他写字写得很好。First, we learn the 写字 is right character. 他写字 he writes character. So this is a core sentence, core part of the sentence. 他写字写得很好 writes very well. 很好. And in here, the grammar part is we want to describe how well he writes characters. We first repeat the verb. Okay, 写 is a verb. And first we repeat the verb and followed by the. Followed by the. And then the adjective or adverb to describe how well it is. 他写字写得很好. So first step, repeat the verb. Second step, plus the. And then the third and last step is describe it. Okay, let's see the next example. 他昨天睡觉睡得很晚. Okay, first, this part, 他 is the subject. 昨天 time, and 睡觉 is the action, the activity. 他昨天睡觉. We want to say he slept very late last night. 很晚, very late. So what do we do? First step is repeat the verb. And the second step followed by the. And then the third step, 很晚, very late. So 他昨天睡觉睡得很晚. Let's see the third example. 妹妹唱歌唱得很好. 妹妹唱歌唱得很好. First, let's see. The major part of the sentence is 妹妹唱歌. 妹妹 is the subject. What 妹妹 means? What 妹妹 means? We learned before. Means younger sister, right? 姐姐 is older sister. 妹妹 is younger sister. So 妹妹唱歌 sing a song, singing. 唱 repeat the verb. This is the first step. And the is the second step. Oops. And 很好 describe how is it well or bad. 不好 means not good, and 很好 is very good. So 妹妹唱歌唱得很好. My younger sister sings well. Okay, let's see this part. 你跳舞 you dance. You dance. If I want to say you dance very well, how we change it? How we make a sentence? Use this sentence structure. 你跳舞. What's the first thing we do? Repeat the verb, right? Which is the verb? Where we learned 跳舞 before? Hobbies, right? We learned hobbies. 跳舞, 唱歌, 唱歌, 跳舞. So 跳舞 is dancing, dance. And which is the verb? This is the verb, 跳. So when we repeat the verb, we say 跳. Okay. And the second step is followed by the. And you dance well. You dance very well. We say 很好. 很好 or extremely well. 非常好. Here we say 很好. So 你跳舞跳得很好. You dance very well. Okay, the last one is 我看电视. We also learned this from hobbies. 看电视. What 看电视 means? 看电视 means watch TV. So who watch TV? I watch TV. 我看电视. If I want to say I watch TV too much, how we say it? What's the first thing we need to do? Repeat the verb, right? Which is a verb? 看 is a verb. So let's repeat the verb 看. And what's the second step? Is the, followed by the. 我看电视看的. How we say too much? Too much, 太多. 我看电视看的太多. So this means I watch too much TV. So 我看电视, 看 is a verb. Repeat the verb first and followed by the and then too much. Alright, now we can easily understand the text, the sentence in the text. 理由，你上个星期考试考得怎么样？ First, one point addressed to 理由 and 你 you. And 上个星期 refer to the time. And the main part of the sentence is you 考试 take test 考试 and which is a verb 考 is a verb and so repeat the verb 考 here 考的怎么样 we learned 怎么样 is how, so how you did in your text. This is the sentence structure of the